Your birth date and your gift. Discovering your magical gift through your date of birth. Discovering your gift with your birth date is a magical gift, whether you know it or not. However, if you uncover it, you have more opportunities to cultivate it and become a master of its power. This can actually reveal your magical gift that you might not even suspect you possess. To know your secret gift, add the digits of your birth date, month, and year until you get a single-digit number. For example, if you were born on 1st September 1975, the single-digit sum would be 5. Because 1 plus 9 plus 1 plus 9 plus 7 plus 5 equals 32. 3 plus 2 equals 5. The numbers 11, 22, 33 are master numbers. Those who possess this number and already know it, and carry out their mission in this life, can use it. But those who were unaware of this should start with their apprentice number, which would be 11 equals 2, 22 equals 4, and 33 equals 6. Number 11 is the first of the master numbers and symbolizes introspection, intuition, and the spiritual world. It is the number of those who may be destined to achieve spiritual enlightenment. Buddha is a clear example of this number. Number 22. Master number 22, the builder. The master vibration of number 22 is one of the most bearable among the 4 that exist. While number 11 is the master or messiah, number 22 represents the universal, realization, and achievements. Number 33. Master vibration, which allows people linked to this number the ability to attract cosmic vibrations that inspire others, becoming spiritual leaders, great characters in pursuit of great dreams and ideals. Jesus Christ is a clear example of the maximum master number. The importance of your single-digit number is invaluable. Knowing your birth number, you will find yourself closer to the purpose of your life. Number 1. The magician. The first number is the number of creation. It is believed that those born under its influence are great wizards, since they have the power to assert their will in this realm. And you have a strong will. However, you should not try to manipulate and control those around you, your magical profession, manifestation, and courage. Number 2. The empath. You are very sensitive to the energies around you. Therefore, as you grew up, you learned to feel and sense what others do, and that's why you became so compassionate. Your magical gift is in your heart and your third eye as you constantly feel the energy currents around you. You should use them to alleviate the pain of others, but also to quickly restore your energy by grounding and coming into contact with nature. Your magical profession, dreams, and intuition. Number 3. The triple moon. This number embodies the 3 phases of the moon. This is why witches believe that you are an instrument of the triple god and/or the triple goddess. Therefore, within you lie the forces of creation and destruction. The old rule, be careful what you wish for, applies to you, as your magical gift is that your thoughts and desires can quickly become reality. Your magical profession, creation, and destruction. Number 4. The elementalist. Number 4 correlates with the 4 elements of the earth: fire, water, air, and earth. Your essence is in balance with the 4 elements or the earth, and that is why you are very rational with a strong mind. As you constantly draw energy from the elements, it is very difficult for someone to curse you. Since fire, water, air, and earth create a magical force field around you, you deflect negativity. Your magical profession, elemental magic. Number 5. The spiritist. Like number 4, it symbolizes the 4 elements of nature: fire, air, water, and earth. Number 5 symbolizes the 5th element, the spirit, ether in ancient Greek magic. Those born under its influence are in contact with the spiritual realm and can easily conjure powers from beyond. This is why they make perfect spiritists, as they are ruled by the 5th element, the spirit. Your magical profession, contacting spirits and ancestral magic. Number 6. The solar apprentice. Number 6 symbolizes the sun and everything that comes from our light source. Therefore, you have a strong flow of energy inside. Your magical gift comes from the sun. Therefore, it embodies all the blessings of life and its power. You are a healer and a leader, but with great power comes great responsibility. Learn to use your magnificent power in the most ethical way. Your magical profession, ritual magic, any spell, and healing. Number 7, the lunar apprentice. Number 7 symbolizes the moon and all the magic that comes from the great lady of the night. Your magical gift is the pure, untamed magic of the moon. It is very rare that you follow ritual magic, as you instinctively know what to do, and you usually don't do the same thing twice. You improvise due to your highly active intuition. Also, another of your magical gifts is to dream prophetic dreams. If you interpret them correctly and trust them, you can perform miracles. Your magical profession, visions, and prophetic dreams. Number 8, the traditional witch. This number is considered one of the most magical. Number 8 corresponds to the 8 sabeds of witches, the 8 corners of the world. If your birthday is 8, then you have great magical power running through you, but it will be activated even more if you manage to tune in and celebrate the sabeds. You have a very precise internal compass, and that is why you can distinguish right from wrong. Your magical profession, energy manipulation, and alchemy. Number 9, the shaman. The last number symbolizes the union of all the above. It is the door where everything ends and everything begins again. That is why you see things like no other. Your magical gift is your artistic and creative nature, and that you often see situations in a very interesting perspective. That's why you can heal yourself. As the number corresponds to death and rebirth, you have a natural ability to sense ghosts and spirits. But if you learn to use this ability, you can even transcend the world as all shamans do. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. If you are new to the channel and this topic resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments, and share. Together we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to achieve the life we truly deserve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.